I realized that I want to get into creatively full-fledged when I had to take up a show unwillingly because it was my need. Trusted my vision and they gave me that opportunity to, show what I can do.
Correct.
Industry तो वही है. I'm doing different. It's just love and love. सारी qualities ना सब कुछ overshadowed हो जाती हैं अगर प्यार होता है, trust होता है.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Well, with me right now, I have someone who has always been the entertainment industry ki shaan. I'm welcoming Sara Khan in conversation with me on India Forums. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Looking at you, looking so pretty.
Thank you.
Why are you not here?
You're looking absolutely stunning as always. I mean, the style game has not changed in so many years, है ना? भले मतलब acting से हमने trajectory change कर दी है, but the style game is on point always. Let me ask you. When was that moment first time जब सारा decided कि यार acting तो ठीक है हो जाएगी अब थोड़ा सा creative हुआ जाए and then we got into production.
So I have always been writing songs and creating. This is my hobby. I love making music and I love making different kind of tunes and using different kind of words, lyrics, which is very connecting.
Correct.
So this has always been there.
Yeah.
But I realized that I want to get into creatively full-fledged when I had to take up a show unwillingly because it was my need.
Okay,
And
got it.
while playing that character, I had to justify because it's not good to not perform well when you have taken up something.
Correct.
I had to give my 100% to certain things which I did not want to do.
बिल्कुल.
And hence I said कि since I am depending on to just my acting career,
Correct.
and I should explore something what I'm capable of.
Correct.
And I saw what I like, what I do. I started exploring.
बिल्कुल.
I gave myself a break.
बिल्कुल.
I made certain songs, produced them, made a short film,
Yeah.
directed myself, written myself. And when I showed it to my friends and they liked it and they appreciated it, I said, okay, I should try.
Correct.
Then before this movie, I shot one film which I have written, Asylum, directed by Rahat Kazmi. So वो film है जो अभी मैं after this editing पे बैठूंगी. Yes.
Okay.
So मैंने वो बनाई. Then I got more confidence. Then I went to Shimaru and Yash and Mohan ji. These people are like they trusted my vision and they gave me that opportunity to show what I can do.
Correct.
So they loved it and hence I gave my heart to this.
Yeah.
And then I created songs for this.
Yes.
I'm grateful to Mr. Mohit Chauhan who accepted the song, liked the song and sung it. So God's grace, सब अच्छा हो गया and the thing
Everything
is
fall into place like at the right time.
Yes.
Well, if I want to ask you, Sara, इतने साल entertainment industry में आप रही है, and then now when you have come on this front that you're composing, you're singing, you're writing the lyrics, do you see a different side of the industry?
Industry तो वही है. I'm doing different.
Correct.
So it's the same.
Correct.
It is just you have to change with time.
Yeah.
What Gen Z is liking today is what you need to understand.
Correct.
You can't be having a heartbreak song जो इतना या तो इतना डीप हो कि उसका मीनिंग समझने में इंसान परेशान हो जाए कि क्या है. So I tried making a Gen Z sad song. ये choice है मेरी, मैं दोनों चढ़ रहे हैं.
Yes, choices, of course.
And the movie itself, भले ही like time कुछ भी हो, age कुछ भी हो, time आज का era change हो चुका है.
Yeah,
अब उसके हिसाब से चाहे आप 30s में हो, चाहे 40s में हो,
Totally.
आपको भी change होना पड़ेगा.
Absolutely.
वही चीज़ आपको दिखानी होगी जो लोगों को connect हो.
True.
So that is what is my effort.
I hope कि ये change audiences को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है because it is your hard work into it. But I must tell you one thing that your fans even today miss to see you on screens. And I would want to know, is there something coming up ahead?
Yes, as I said, the movie which I have made myself, written myself, I played the character in that.
Wow.
And I've played the protagonist.
What
in
is it
that.
like?
It is about mental health and how small things affect people and if they take it on themselves too much, how it affects their life and how mental health is very important. But in a fun manner, I have I have designed the entire project in a fun manner. So there's a lot of fun into it. I've shot it in Kashmir, Srinagar में उसकी shoot हुई है. which is again a very beautiful place. When you will see the film, you'll know. But let's come back to choices. That this movie is very, very
Yes.
close to my heart. I've put my heart and soul into it, from the BGM to the entire story. So you have to watch it.
As we were speaking about choices, it really shows us the emotional turmoil in a relationship. Sarah, I want to know, past का कुछ भी present या future, what is your take on today's dating life, relationships, marriage? आजकल हम देखें तो ये social media की वजह से everything has become very fast paced.
Yeah.
You know, this dating culture, swipe
Yes.
left, swipe
Yes,
right, dating
yes,
apps and all
yes,
of that.
yes.
What is Sarah's take on this?
My take on dating is, यार अगेन इट डिपेंड्स ऑन पीपल टू पीपल. जैसे लोग चेंज होते जा रहे हैं टाइम के साथ, कुछ लोग चेंज होते जा रहे हैं, कुछ लोगों की सोच आज भी वैसी है. लाइक आई एम अ पर्सन हु आई डोंट बिलीव इन शेयरिंग माई सेल्फ टू मच.
Okay.
I
Correct.
believe in I need to have confidence and
Correct.
that feeling for
Correct.
someone to be with.
True.
And until and unless there is not a huge situation where I had to step back,
You
I
won't.
try. I have always tried.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm still like the old school person in that.
Wonderful. Lastly, before I wrap up, 3 qualities which you think are a green flag into a partner and 3 qualities which are a red flag.
No, it's just love and love. सारी qualities ना सब कुछ overshadowed हो जाती हैं अगर प्यार होता है तो, trust होता है तो. And किसी का भी कोई मैं नहीं बिलीव करती कि टाइप होता है प्यार करने में, क्योंकि प्यार इंसान की ऑफ कोर्स पहला अपीयरेंस ही होता है,
Yeah,
उसके
yeah,
बाद ही
yeah.
आप अंदर जानने की कोशिश
Correct,
करते
correct,
हो.
correct.
वो कभी नहीं होता कि आप ये जो बकवास बोलते हैं
Yeah.
नहीं अंधे प्यार अंधा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. सबकी आंखें प्यार की आंखें होती हैं.
Very true.
सो उसके बाद ही आप जानते हो किसी को. तो मेरा ऐसा है कि यू शुड जस्ट बी ट्रस्ट एंड ट्रुथ, रिस्पेक्ट, दैट्स इट.
Wonderfully said. Well, I'm looking forward to choices because this looks something very interesting and I can't wait for it to be out.
Yes.
One message that you want to give your fans.
Please guys, just have a look at choices and choose rightly.
That is all that are in store for you because I have some really fun segments, but I don't want to take the attention towards that. I would like to call you to our office one day for the same.
Inshallah.
Okay.
Definitely.
Signing off on
Thank
this
you.
note, this is Nikita Bagwan with cameraman Yogesh Keni, India Forums, Mumbai.
Thank you, Nikita.
Thank you.